Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher. General, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. 11th house, it means love received. It shows the love you receive. Goals, friends, hopes and wishes, circumstances beyond control, love received. Natural sign is Aquarius. Natural ruler is Uranus. Keyword is social consciousness. 11th house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is succeeding house. General. The 11th house shows your ability in friendship, your attitude towards friends and acquaintances and all non-emotional relationships. This house for what you want most in life, your goals, you receive love as well as money earned from a career. It shows stepchildren, foster children and adopted children, as well as the circumstances in which you have little control. Here we see your humanitarian benefit, the way you see others, the organizations and the clubs you belong to, in some way related to your career. Saturn in the 11th house. Planet placed by Saturn in the 11th house of your natal chart shows that friendships are an important part of your life, giving you little joy but a lot of support and wise advice. You would rather have a few true loyal friends than have many companions along the way. As a result, you may end up disappointed in your friendships at some stage of your life. It is also possible that most of your friends are involved in your professional life. In some cases, you can be scammed through fake friends, losing money and reputation. Of course, this depends on other influences in your natal chart. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.